Hello, learners. Welcome back to the another conversation session. Repeat after me. I wake up early. Your turn. Go. If you want to speak English fluently, you must speak a little every day. In today's video, we practice real English conversation with easy sentences you can use right now. Repeat after me. I wake up at 7. Your turn. I go to work. Your turn. I drink tea in the morning. Your turn. I don't eat breakfast. Your turn. Do you work from home? Your turn. Now let's do a quick conversation. You speak with me. Hi, how are you today? What time do you wake up? What do you eat for breakfast? Do you go to office or work from home? What do you do in the evening? What time do you sleep? Where do you work? Why do you study English? To improve fluency, shadow this video every day. Shadowing means repeat with me at the same time. Do this for 7 days and you will feel big improvement. And remember, fluency doesn't come in one day, but it comes with daily practice. Even 5 minutes is enough. Like this video, subscribe, and watch the next episode. We practice conversations together every day.